going to make an origami pig, like this pig, and like this one. Let's begin. And you're going to just need a piece of origami paper, which is a piece of square paper. So first, we're gonna fold it in half. So it's going to be, so we're gonna fold this, so it's in half. Then we're going to fold the side in like this, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to have this, and after that we're going to fold the corner onto here. We're going to fold it back up, and we're going to open this and make a triangle. So this is what the triangle looks like. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And so we're going to have this, and then we're going to flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. Then we're going to do it again. So, after we have this, and we have all the triangles, all 4 triangles, we're going to make the pig's legs. And to make the pig's legs, all we have to do is fold it from here to here, and we're going to do it on all 4 sides. So then we're going to have this. And first I'm going to make the pig's face. So we're first going to fold it to here, fold this bottom piece to here, and we're going to take it out. Then we're going to open up the pig in the middle and then push it in. And we're going to open it like this and fold it and fold the little corners into the middle. After that, you're going to you're going to use this and push it out, and then to make it into a pig's snout, we're going to fold this part so we have the pig's little nose. And then we're going to make the back of the pig. And so first we need to fold the bottom to the top, and we're going to fold it in, and then we're going to open this part up, and we're going to fold the sides to the middle, and then we have this. And to make the pig's tail, we're going to use this, and we're going to we're going to push it out and have this as the little pig's tail. And then you can use a pencil to give it eyes and some ears. So I added some eyes, and I'm gonna give it one ear. I'm gonna give it one ear on this side, and I'm gonna give it the other ear on the other side. And then I'm gonna give it a smile. And I'm also going to give it a smile on the other side. And on its nose, I'm going to put a dot on each side. I'm going to give it the whole nose. So now we have our origami pig. Thank you for watching. Bye!